Experience superior comfort with the ultimate 4-in-1 premium airplane travel set, perfect for relaxing and sleeping on your journeys. Stay warm with a super soft polar fleece blanket that transforms into a carry bag for ultimate convenience and space-saving design. Indulge in the premium memory foam neck pillow with an ergonomic design for dreamy support, ensuring you arrive refreshed at your destination. Indulge in the premium memory foam neck pillow with an ergonomic design for dreamy support, ensuring you arrive refreshed at your destination. The blanket keeps you cozy in cars, trains, buses, and planes, making it a must-have for every traveler seeking comfort on the go. The neck pillow's machine-washable cover and durable construction guarantee years of enjoyable use, making it a favorite among experienced travelers. Upgrade your travel experience with this luxury set that includes a sleep mask and earplugs for a complete relaxation package on your adventures. Discover the ultimate 4-in-1 travel kit in sleek black, designed to enhance your journey and ensure you reach your destination feeling energized and rejuvenated. Invest in quality and comfort with this travel blanket luxury travel set, the essential companion for any traveler seeking a peaceful and restful trip.